Sakshi Dwivedi and I'm from Jagran Public School, and my topic is, should we make recycling compulsory? Recycling has been around from many years on the earth, but there are some people who are not taking serious, and because of these people, pollution is decreasing day by day. With people who really want a good future and know the causes of this pollution, there comes a question in their mind, should we make recycle mandatory? The people who argue that recycle should be mandatory, they means a good future for their generation and especially for our planet. On the other hand, there are some people who doesn't care about these things and just polluting the environment. Recycling should be mandatory because it's not only decreases the pollution but also saves our expenses and preserves the natural resources. Recycling helps by reducing the waste materials thrown on the landfill such as aluminium, glass, plastic and paper. We all know that paper is a biodegradable substance. It easily composed by the soil. But what about these three things? Glass, plastic and aluminium. These are becoming a barrier. For example, when you buy a new electronic product, what about the earlier one? It is also made of plastic, and plastic is the most harmful thing in our environment and becoming a most barrier on the earth. Therefore, 60 to 80% of our planet is full of garbage, especially of plastic. Plastic is becoming a big barrier, and there is only a one solution of this problem is to recycle the things. First, I will personally say you that please avoid the plastic bags. But if you buy a plastic bag or when you buy a vegetable, a shopkeeper gives you a plastic bag, just reuse it. Don't throw it easily because when you recycle it, it will really help you, and this really help to save the environment, and especially in this way you can save your family and especially your planet.